In the ashes of World War II, a new dawn was upon the world. The horrors of war had shattered the old order, and leaders gathered in San Francisco, determined to prevent such devastation from ever happening again. On June 26, 1945, the United Nations Charter was signed, marking the birth of a new international organization. Among its most crucial components was the Security Council, a powerful body tasked with maintaining international peace and security. The Security Council was designed to be an assembly of the world's most influential nations. 5 permanent members: China, France, the Soviet Union, the United Kingdom, and the United States, would hold veto power, ensuring no action could be taken without their consent. 10 non-permanent members would rotate every 2 years, representing a diverse cross-section of the global community. The first meeting of the Security Council took place on January 17, 1946, with the United States Representative, Warren Austin, presiding. The Council's first official act was to adopt its own rules of procedure, setting the stage for its future operations. However, the Council faced its first major test just 2 months later, when tensions between the Soviet Union and its satellite states in Eastern Europe escalated. The Council debated the issue, but the Soviet delegate, Andrei Gromyko, repeatedly used his veto to block any action. This impasse highlighted the Council's most controversial feature, the veto power of the permanent members. Critics argued that this gave too much power to a select few, potentially undermining the Council's ability to protect global peace. Despite these challenges, the Security Council persevered. It played a pivotal role in the decolonization of Africa and Asia, mediating conflicts and enforcing sanctions. In 1950, it authorized military action in Korea, marking the first time it had taken such a step. Throughout its history, the Security Council has faced numerous crises, from the Cold War to the Gulf War, from the conflicts in the Balkans to the ongoing issues in the Middle East. Yet, it remains a vital institution, a testament to the hope that, through diplomacy and cooperation, the world can avoid the horrors of war. The Security Council stands today as a symbol of the United Nations' commitment to peace and security. Its story is one of both triumph and tragedy, of power and diplomacy, of the best and worst of human nature. It is a tale that continues to unfold, a testament to the enduring quest for a more peaceful world.